Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, today we have lecture number 9. So, what we have to discuss? We have to discuss the benefit of using storyboard design for developing a website. And then, second, we have to discuss is analysis the impact of designing a website without sufficient pre-planning. These two questions we will discuss, and we also have to discuss about the storyboard. You both have make a storyboard which is not correct. I will explain today again how you can make storyboard for a website. Okay. First, you have to tell me about the benefit of using storyboard. Okay, tell me some benefits of storyboard. When we are making a storyboard, some advantages.
We can show the team what we are working towards,
Mm-hmm.
what we have to achieve. It allows us to get a visual of the website before
Yes.
developing it.
Yes. Basically, the visual thing you have told me that the visual thing that is perfectly the shows that what we are making website. Okay, where the options, where the exact name, and where the navigation bar of our website. These all things we have to show in our website. So here is some benefits I have add. The first is enhanced collaboration. Storyboard encourage collaboration among designers, developers, and stakeholders as it allow everyone to visualize and discuss the layout and the functionality of the website. This can lead to better communication, more efficient workflow, and more cohesive final product. So I'm talking about the layout and functionality. In the layout, you have to add some options, and functionality also have you have to show that what the function we have to add in our website. And then improve user experience, which means a storyboard enables developer to focus on the user in experience, which means the UX. You idea about the UI and the UX. You have an idea about user experience, or what is UX and the UI?
UI is like this, the buttons and the icons present on the screen when we're interacting in a website.
Okay, and UX?
UX.
You can say the backend side working of website.
Okay.
And then basically a storyboard enable designer to focus on the user experience by mapping out the user journey and identify potential pain points and area of for improvement. This helps to create a more user-friendly website that meets the need of its target audience. Basically, it will improve user experience also, and when it's better experience and the user-friendly website, when we meet the needs and we have to target that point, then it will benefit for our website, and it can grab more traffic. And time cost and saving. By creating detailed storyboard, designer can identify potential issues. Basically, we are the designer, and we can easily find out our issues and make changes before the development phase begins. When the development begins, you have an idea about the HTML and the CSS and the languages. We are doing coding. This is a more difficult to change something in the coding phase. When we have to see, we have just see the map. We have to do the coding the same exact. Then we have a storyboard. Okay, and this can save our time and money also by avoiding costly redesign and revisions later in the process. And you have know that the revisions are basically very tough for the designer for making again and again. And the clear vision. The vision is basically storyboard helps to establish a clear vision for the website, providing a roadmap for the design and development process. This can help ensure that everyone involved is on the same page and working toward the same goal. And then in the last point, we have a flexibility and the agility. And the storyboard can be easily modified and up to date as a project progressing, allow for flexibility in the design process. This can be partly help us in case where requirements or goal change during development. Basically, when we are creating a storyboard, it will help us to create a more attractive website and a high quality website. And it is very efficient way for creating a website before pre-planning. Here is a body structure of header and body elements. In our website, there is a header and the navigation bar and the sidebar, and we have to add the content and the footer. What you have to do is in the header, you have to write the name of the website of your website, the mention in the assignments. You have to write the name it here and also add the logo here. You do not have to just paste the logo or write here logo. No, that exactly the name of your website. You have to write it here, and in a circle way or whatever the logo represent you want to show of your website, represent your website, and you have to mention the name here, proper name of your website. And in the navigation bar, you have to add some pages like home, contact us. I have added some pages. You can see the services and contact us, gallery. These are the some pages you have to add in the navigation bar. You don't have to add just navigation bar is here. No. You have to add the name of the pages here and the content. You can add random paragraph, but you have to add some content here and a sidebar. In a sidebar, you can show the sidebar is left for the showing the ads for the audience, but you can show here some random ad, whatever you want to show, you can add here. And the footer, you have to add the specific social media logo, social media apps logo, which represent. You can contact us on our Facebook, on our Instagram or Twitter, whatever you want to add in social media apps. You have to add in the footer. You have to add the logos that represent these social media apps. Okay, that show us to contact. The client will easily can contact, and you have to add a random numbers, contact numbers. Okay, and the random address here that represents that your contact details and the address, office location will be here. Okay, you got my points, Zainab?
Yes.
Okay, and the next thing, here is the another example I have add. The header, the navigation, and you have different add different articles and the footer here. But good practice is this: you can follow this. Okay, this is another way for creating a website. This is the header and navigation. Some people add navigation bar here and add some articles like a paragraph, and there is a content and there is a gallery. And for example, if they add something about their website or their services, and then they have add some gallery, office locations, and show the picture of the patients with the doctor services. And then there is the they are adding in the article, in the third article they have add the feedback of their client in their website, and the footer is also for the same contact us details, office locations, and whatever in the last of the website. Okay, these are the pages you have to add in your storyboard. In the navigation bar, there is a home, services, book appointment, the generate reports, the gallery, our team, about us, and contact us. Okay, and these are the pages you have to add in your navigation bar, but you also have to make the storyboard of these pages also. The home page is exactly, you have an idea about the home page, what you can show there, but the services, if I will click on the services, the next services page will be open, and what you have to show on that page you will see in different websites, and you have to make the storyboard for it. And the book appointment and generate reports, you have to see these pages, what they look like in the website, and you have to generate a storyboard for this also. And you can add some random pictures in the gallery for some patients and doctors and offices. Okay, I have told you already, you both students, that some of the websites are you can use in your website images from some websites. These are free websites, have no copyright claim. If you have no idea, I will discuss it again. Its websites are unsplash.com and freepik.com. These are the websites you can easily use pictures from these websites and use in your website. They have no copyright claim in there. And then our team you have to add some professional images of doctor images you can take from the other website, and you have to add in your website, and with the name, with the proper services you have to add, the contact details also in the our team page. And about us, you have to add all the about us information. These are the random information, not exactly the information, but at least it makes sense. And the contact us also, showing us the social media apps or contact, and the timings also you can add in the contact us page when these doctors will be available. And these are the pages you have to add in your storyboard, and you make the storyboard of these pages. When you have done with this storyboard, you also have to make the website, same website. Okay, you have to start working on it. And these pages, the storyboard will show me the exact idea what you will be making in the next session, and you will show me the website. Okay, I will see the what type of website you both will be making in the future, and you both will be show to me that website. And in the storyboard, I will help you to changes and find out the errors. You have to add this, it will be good, or if you want to remove this something, and it will be good. I will help you this. This is the basically software. This is the free software of making a storyboard. You can make a storyboard in this software. The name of the software is the Pencil. You can go that link and easily can download the Pencil software. If you have any problem, I will give you steps and guide you how you can install the software Pencil, and how you can make a storyboard for the website in this software. It is very easy software. You just have to simply add, if for example, if you are adding a header, you can simply add a header and write a type name of your website. And there is already make a layout. Basically, you just have to drag the elements from the bar and just put on and make the storyboard of the website. And this is very easy software you can use for making a storyboard. If you have another software you want to make a storyboard from, that free software, then you can also use, but you have to inform me that software I will be using for making storyboard. Basically, here I have add some websites. This is the websites you can see. These are the good for. Let me show you the one website, and we have to discuss in detail. Let me open this website and show you. Okay, this is here is the website. They have add the logo here, and they have add some pages here in the navigation bar, and a book and appointment also. And in the home page, when I click the home page will display. And when I will click on the services page will display, and you can take the idea from this website also, and you can also search different websites for making a storyboard. Okay, here they add some implements, but they add some services about what they have done, and then they have add the welcome area with the image. You can take the image from the unsplash. I have already told that free website and free pick also, and they have add some welcome area, the context here, and they have add a button in their book an appointment, and then after they have added the detailed services of their hospital, and after this they have add in the sliding show their team. This show these are the teams that will give the services to the customer, and then you can add different. Okay, that the contact info, you can add a random location here on the contact number and the mail ID and the timings also and the days also. And you can add the contact us button here, but if you don't want to add the button here, then no problem, but you have at least make another page for contact us. Here is the social media app they have add in the footer for contact detail. They have add in the last, they also have add about us, our team services and contact us pages here in the footer. And you can add here the office location and whatever you want to add, office location and the timings also. If I will click on the our team, they will show me the team members of that hospital. That page will be displayed. Due to very slow internet connection, it is not showing me the not loading the right page, but you can go in the slide. I have add different, the footer will be the same in all pages. Okay, you must have to see the footer will be the same and the header will be the same, navigation bar in the same in all pages. And you have to add the map also in the website, the contact info, and you have to add the team with little bit details what they have done and what services they can give to the client or okay, these are the pages you can add in your website. These are the website I have add. You have to visit this website and see what these more points they have add in the websites for making user friendly website or attractive website. You have to add in your website also. Then we have to discuss is about the analysis, the impact of designing website without sufficient pre-planning. If we are not planning, first we have to plan our plan, and then we have to make our website. If we have not done this, then what is the impact of designing a website? Basically, these are the negative impacts I have added. The negative impacts are the insufficient use of time and resources. Basically, without a clear plan in place, designer may spend a lot of time creating and revising design elements that may ultimately not be needed or used. This can lead to insufficient and waste of valuable time and resources. It will waste our resources also and the time also if we will have no proper planning. So you both have to make a website. So you both have to make first storyboard, and when I will pass a storyboard, then you have to start working on making a website. Then a poor user experience. Without proper planning, designer may not fully understand the need and the preferences of the target audience. This can lead to a website that is difficult to navigate, confuse, and do not meet the expectations of user, result in the poor user experience. And then increase development cost. It will increase our development cost for making a website because the changes and revisions made during web development can be a time consuming and costly, especially if the design change significantly without pre-planning. Designer may need to make sufficient changes during development, which can lead a high cost. And then we have a point is longer development timelines. Without a clear plan, the development process can take longer than necessary. This can lead to delays in the launch of website and increased cost associated with extended development timelines. Then we have a last point is missed business opportunities, which means that without proper pre-planning, designer may not fully understand the business goal and objective of the website. This can lead a missed opportunity to drive traffic, increase conversions, and achieve other important business outcomes. Basically, if you are not showing to the if someone want a website and you are the designer, you have to make a website for the client, and then what you have to do, what you have first you have to make a storyboard that is the clear points shows in the what pages you have to add in the website, what information you have to add in the website, and the client will update in the storyboard. It will easy for us to make changes in the storyboard. But if we develop a website and then the client will change revisions, something want to change and more need more revision, it is very difficult for us for making changes in our website. So you got my point or not?
Yes.
Okay. Abdullah, you are in the class. What you both have to do is you have to do. Zana will help you out, but here is you have an idea about the storyboard. Okay, you have to again first you have to download the software. Okay, and making a storyboard. Storyboard, you have to add these pages in the navigation bar. This is the navigation bar here after the header. Okay, and you have to make a storyboard for all the pages, the different pages, and you have to follow this body structure if you want to use. Otherwise you can also use different structure, but this is the most commonly used body structure. This can be used in your making a website. So you both have to start making the storyboard. If you didn't get my point, you can ask me a question. I am available. You have to send a question to Ma'am Kinsa. She will deliver to me, and I will answer you before the class or in the class. Okay, no problem. You have any question about this lecture?
Yes.
Okay, Abdullah, you have to say something, but there is a problem. I think your headphones or in your mic. I don't know what
I
you are
was saying
saying.
how many I was saying how many storyboard we have to make.
You have to make a 8 storyboard at least. All these pages. These. You have to make
Okay.
all these storyboards, and you can download this software, pencil software. If you have any trouble, then you can contact. I will show you the steps for downloading this pencil free software. This is very easy for making a storyboard for the website. Okay. And then I have told to Zainab already, but I will again explain to Abdullah that the in the header you have to write the proper name of your website with the logo. Okay. In the navigation you have to write the proper name of the pages. You have to add the content, the random content, but at least it makes sense. Okay, you have to add the content here. And the sidebar is okay. You can show me a sidebar is for ads, but you can make it empty also. But in the footer you have to add contact us detail, the office location, the timings, or I have shown you the social media apps. The logo of the social media app must show in the footer, and the footer and the header and the navigation bar is same for all the pages. And the changing is the content with the different pages. For example, if you will go in the services pages, then the header, navigation bar, and the footer will be the same in all the pages. And book appointment, the content will be different for all these pages. You have to add the images for the gallery images you can take from free websites from the internet. These are the Unsplash and the free pics. These are the proposed websites you can see here, and you can use more pictures for the gallery. Okay, both got my point.
I say yes, miss, we got it.
Okay, you have any question? You can ask me.
No, miss.
Okay, what about Zainab? Zainab, you have clear all the points.
It's clear.
Okay, after the storyboard, when it's approved, then you both have to start working on the website. You both have to make a website that will totally link to the storyboard. Okay, so try to make more clear points on the storyboards which I have to see. So if you don't have any questions, you may leave the class, and I will sharing you the slides and the recording also. Abdullah, can listen again. Can listen from the recording these points and start doing making a storyboard. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.